Massive news for Kaspa. Caspian's ledger will be supporting Kaspa very soon. If this is something that you're interested in, you want to find out more, please be sure to watch the video until the end. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys, and share the video with your friends and family. Now, ledger support from Crypto Bull God. Ledger support, how much longer until Cas is supported? And Ledger support replies, hello there, we're excited to let you know that a Cas app is in the works. Although we can't give you an exact launch date just yet, you can bet that we'll make a big announcement as soon as it's ready to roll out. Your patience in this matters and it means a lot to us. Thanks. So there you go, guys. We have a Cas app in the works for Ledger. And then for the people that frequently use Ledger, even with the controversy that took place where I think there's like Ledger is giving your data to like a different company and stuff like that, it's still the most frequently used wallet. You know why? Hardware wallet. You know why? Because people don't like change. They just they don't like change whatsoever, so they're already using Ledger, right? So for all the people that only use Ledger, right, now they'll have access to Casper, which is great. That means we'll have more people in the Kaspa community who finally get a bag, or who's finally, being able to store their Kaspa some way, right? Now, obviously, there's better wallets to use, like the Tangent wallet, even the Kaspa Core wallet, mobile wallet, etc. Change wallet. But, again, people don't like change. So, Ledger support for Cas overall is great for all the people that frequently use Ledger. Again, the most frequently used hardware wallet, and that is overall bullish for Cas. Great news right there. From our crypto talk, market is looking dicey, but Cas doesn't care. It really doesn't. As mentioned in our previous update, Casper price saw a real trend reversal from the SR level. Cas saw a 30% upside move with several listings and updates from the team. Positive CPI news tomorrow could trigger a Cas to a new all-time high. And right here, guys, you can see from the image, we have been holding this support level, and Cas already starting to break out once again. From CLUD, compound hash rate, Bitmain Tech, KS Freeze online. Blessed to be a part of the Cas revolution of crypto with Mr. Rager. 10 BPS for the most perfect currency to ever exist, and top 3 soon. And this is the miners, guys. These are the miners right here getting engaged with the Kaspa community and realizing, there's a new proof of work project in town and we're not gonna miss out on it. They are showcasing their KS3 KS2 miners for Cas. And just like how there's huge facilities that are dedicated to mining Bitcoin, I wouldn't be surprised we get to the same level with Cas in the future. And as always, what we say on the channel, typically price follows hash rate. From Rollman Mining, Cas beautiful project it's a no-brainer that Cas will be in the top 20 asset within 2 years. 11 thumbs up for that. 6 hearts. From XRP sucks too much. Every time I read that name, I'm cracking up. Cas, the haters have been real quiet. 10 thumbs up, 11 hearts for that. Maldi, yeah, LMAO, yeah, probably because their crap coins been crashing while ours has been pumping. For real though. Man, that is so crazy, man. Cas really does its own thing in these markets. From XO Jaguaro, Cas, I just watched a sell wall of 1 billion Cas at 41 cent on KuCoin fall hard. FOMO emojis are kicking in for Cas, man. And of course, we got some hearts for that as well. From Coin Prospector, Cas has been silently and steadily leading the market by a significant margin. When charted against large caps such as ETH, Bitcoin, and Matic, what we witness is a new paradigm rapidly gaining ground against the old guard. And as you can see right here, Cas versus Ethereum, Cas versus BTC, and Cas versus Matic. And what can we see? Cas is up against all the top projects, right? Even Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is on a retrace, falling down. And what is Cas doing? Moving to the upside, man. People are looking for that 2-cent Cas, and I don't think they're gonna get it. I don't think they're gonna get the 2-cent Cas, man. You know, Cas is just too strong. It's too strong fundamentally as an altcoin, man. From charts, Cas update. Here's a closer look on the second cup and handle pattern for Cas at the 4-hour time frame. After we break the full 1 cent, it is now acting as a strong support for Cas. In the next day or two, I think Cas will make another move going to the upside, breaking the next resistance at 0.044 cent. Let's zoom in on that so you guys could have an even better look. My apologies, 1 second, here we go. As you can see, right, Cas got above this support level right here at the 4 cent mark, flipped it into, got above the resistance, flipped it into support, and now we're continuously on this move up right here until we could see that break to the 6 cent mark for Cas, guys. So keep an eye out for that. From Cryon, no one told Cas that this week was a red week and all the altcoins are meant to be dipping. Cas is up, man. Against every other project in the space, Cas continues to crush it, right? And this is what you look for. This is I remember a huge content creator, Elio Trade, saying if you're gonna find, you gotta look for projects that are that show strength against Bitcoin. When a project is showing strength against Bitcoin, those are typically the ones you want to bet the bank on, or you know, pick first, have conviction on first before any other project, right? And Cas has been showing that at an alarming level, guys. Genius decentralized investor. Anyone else feel the face melting God candle is coming soon for Cas? My calculations say it is very probable. These are rare opportune times that I feel fortunate to be a part of the emergence of new global assets. Bag up or sit out. And that's all. That's what it really just boils down to, man. Again, I've been saying this constantly on the channel. Obviously, in my opinion, it's good to diversify your portfolio. But if you're going to have an altcoin portfolio, you have to have Casper in your altcoin portfolio. You have to. Like, you're just gonna if you fake Cas, you're just, you know, running away from money. You don't like money, right? Even if you don't have like a crazy bag, right? Even if you just have 10,000 Cas, 25,000 Cas, right? 20,000, right? It's still gonna be gains going into the bull run, which is great. You know, instead of buying all these different altcoins that just keep crashing left and right, or keep failing left and right, or the team dumps on you with huge, terrible tokenomics and, you know, crazy supplies that are meant to be vested. You know, it's I've seen it over and over, and I'm just tired, man. I'm tired of it, right? I'm tired of seeing that same that same thing over and over, where there's people in the space that are developers who have brilliant minds, and all they do when they come into the space is use it to enrich themselves and just dump on retail investors. And then all of a sudden, you know, the cycle repeats where people say crypto is a scam, etc., etc., right? That is not the case with Cas, and that's why you have to have Cas in your portfolio, man. You have to. It's not financial advice, right? But honestly, let's just take a look around at all the different projects in the space, man, right? Compare them as far as like tokenomics, you know, supply, what their utility is, and tell me if they could compare to Cas, man. Even some of the greatest projects in the space have team tokens that the team unlocks onto the market and then just dumps onto retail investors and fill their own bags, man. And it's annoying. I'm sick of it, and that's why I'm so bullish on Cas, man. You know, from Marwan, Kaspa is pumping. Let's fly to a new all-time high. I think it will be at 14 cent. That's what I'm calling for before the end of the year. 14 cent for Kaspa. What about you? I voted 14 cent. People, 35% voted 10 cent. and 38% voted 20 cent. I voted 14%. That's at 26%. Very nice little poll right here. What do you guys think will happen for Cas's price going on to the end of the year or going into the start of the new year 2024? Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Caspians, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Share the video with your friends and family. I appreciate all the support. Tune into the live streams, become a channel member, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.